Been a minute, put me up. I've been liking that Lizzo song though. NAYEON has a solo, correct. It's called Pop. From the teasers, it's very poppy, like pop, 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 pop. And let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Okay, popping balloons. I was gonna say I hate popping balloons. Pop, pop, pop. That's all. Oh, the post editing is interesting. Ooh, better shake it. What? Okay, we got lollipop. You gonna throw the lollipop? Okay, Louis. We see you, Louis. Louis V. Donuts. Damn, I'm trying to. Very upbeat, hella upbeat. It kind of fits her as a soloist, I feel. And if I'm not mistaken, she's... Ooh, this is the one from the teaser. Pop, pop, pop. And I can see why... I already have people that can tell me, oh, it's just okay, but I'm like, I get it. Like, it's supposed to be pop. They're using the word pop. It does remind me of bubble pop a little bit, like just the word pop in general, not the whole song, etc. Ooh, she does look good. Look at the outfits though. Girl, you better slay in the outfit. The hell? Okay! Damn, I think you just did. I can't, I stuttered in my words when I... What? I don't know. Do I want it, I guess. You can say it's very poppy. Have I seen that set before? No. Pop it like a bubble. Okay. Wait, oh, we count down. Before fluttering stops. She is slaying though. I wonder who wrote this too, actually. Okay, you better slay. Ooh, the lip. This pop. I'm sorry. I'm being like Miss Captain Obvious right now. Oh, it's a mini album. That's correct. I thought it would just be a single. That's pretty short, actually. It does remind me of OK. That's why I brought up Hyena's Bubble Pop. Not to compare it, but it just reminds me of like that type of era. Oh yeah, she has Felix, Weinstein. Oh, I might have to check out the mini album too. Let's give credit where credit is due. NAYEON fucking slayed that shit.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.